Hello and welcome to day 6 of the 30-day Yoga and Pilates challenge. Today we are doing a routine for the inner thighs, Pilates exercises. Extend the bottom leg and we're gonna start with leg lifts. 20 reps of each exercise. Make sure your heel leads here, so toes pointing forward, not to the sky, just forward. Heel leads here, and we are doing 20 reps. You should feel that in your inner thighs and not in your quads. Now we're gonna separate the move into 3 parts: up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down. Keep going. Again, we are doing 20 reps. Okay, nicely done. Now point your toes. We're gonna draw circles. We're doing 10 each way. 10 small circles each way. And reverse. Brilliant. Okay, now same position. We're gonna bend the knee, and now with the heel we're gonna press. It's bend and press, bend and press. Just pretend you are kicking something with your heel. You want to push something away from you. Keeping the same position of the leg, toes pointing forward. And again, 20 reps. Okay, lay down. Now we're gonna place the other foot in front of your thigh. And now with the heel, again, we're doing lifts. Small pulses, small lifts, heel leads here. We're doing 20 reps for 4 sets. Okay, this was first set. Now, just a little rest. Second set, 20 reps. Here we go. Okay. Take a moment to rest. Third set. Rest. And fourth and final set for this exercise. My inner thighs are burning. And rest. Okay, nicely done. Now we're doing clams. So, but clams for the inner thighs. Legs together, lifting the bottom knee up to the top one. 20 reps. Try to keep your feet together Engage your core and just lift the bottom knee up and lower down with control. Up and down, up and down. Okay, now same thing, but both legs straight. Lift the bottom leg into a scissor. So up, down, up, down, up, down. Core is tight, engaged. And that was it. Okay, take your time, stretch in butterfly pose. We're gonna repeat the exact same sequence for the other side, for the other leg. When you're ready, lay on your side, extend the bottom leg, heel leads, 20 leg raises, straight leg, toes forward. Off we go. And ready? Okay, now we're gonna separate the move into 3 parts. So it's up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down. And of course, each 3 counts as 1 rep. Nicely done. Now point your toes. We're gonna draw circles, 10 each way. And reverse. Nicely done. Okay, now we're gonna bend and kick. Bend and push. Bend and push. Keeping toes forward. Pushing through the heel. Okay, nicely done. Placing the other foot in front of your thigh, and now 20 reps pulses. Pulses for the inner thighs. Heel leads. We are doing 4 sets of 20. Okay. Ready for the second set. Okay, rest. We have 2 more. And off we go. Okay, we have 1 more final set here. 1 more. And nicely done. 2 more moves. The inner thigh clamps, lifting the bottom knee up, up. Try to keep your feet together, the soles of your feet together. Engage the core and just lift the bottom knee up and down, up and down. Okay, now same thing with both legs straight, keeping the top leg there and just lifting the bottom one up, up. Last 20 reps here, and then we have 1 bonus exercise. Okay, nicely done. Lay on your back. Now we're gonna keep the legs in the tabletop position. So 90 degrees angle. We're gonna place our palms just between the knees and we're gonna really squeeze with our thighs, with our knees. Squeezing, smashing, pressing the palms. This is the inner thigh hold. So we are holding in isometric contraction, squeezing, really squeezing legs together. And release. Take your time for a moment. We're going to repeat just 1 more. Okay, when you're ready, place your palms between your knees and squeeze. Squeeze really hard. And hold and breathe. And release. Hug your knees. Butterfly stretch. Release the tension, and that was it. Thank you so much for joining me.